Hello my friends, it's summer and I'm loving it. I am not complaining. Hot weather? Well, hot, but still not complaining. Winter is coming. You want to spend your time outside as much as you can, right? So, coffee in the morning on the weekends, on the holidays, somewhere in a park, or just a picnic on your backyard. Like I'm having tomorrow a picnic with my friends on my backyard. So for this picnic, I made this rustic French galettes. They are not hard at all to make. They're beautiful. There is one with the plums and one is the white peaches. You can use any seasonal fruit you have or your favorite. I also put some berries on top. And we are going to enjoy them tomorrow. So let me show how to make them. So the dough for this galette is not very hard to make, but it's very unusual, little bit unusual. The dough is based on the cream cheese. Alright, so first you have to freeze. Before you start making, you have to cut your butter in cubes and freeze them. And also you have to put in the freezer for a while, for 20 minutes, dry ingredients. So my dry ingredients were in the freezer, they've been chilled, and now I put them in a food processor. Oh, and I'm making 2 galettes, so there's going to be a little bit more. So I'm making like double recipe. So I'm gonna run it a little bit just to mix everything. Alright, I think that's good. And now I'm adding my cream cheese. My mixture resembles sand. And now I'm gonna get my butter from the freezer and we're gonna add slowly my butter into this mixture. Okay, my food processor is very old and this job was very hard for him. So I moved everything to my blender. And everything is mixed, really nice consistency. And now I'm adding my vinegar and my cream. And on a pulse, I'm gonna mix everything together. If the dough looks uneven, that's fine, that's how it's supposed to be, don't worry about it. So I'm gonna just put everything together. I'm going to transfer it on my plastic wrap. Right, and it goes to fridge. For about minimum 45 minutes, or you can leave it overnight in a fridge, and then. After an hour, I am gonna bake a galette. Okay, my dough spent a couple of hours in the fridge, and now I am gonna roll it. But first I'm going to divide it in 2 parts because I'm gonna bake 2 galettes. All right, and now I'm going to roll it in a nice. And I'm gonna roll it in a nice round, big round. So, what do you put inside your galette? It's totally up to you. Whatever seasonal fruit or berries you have, go ahead. I already prepared mine. I have white peaches. I just caramelized it a little bit, and then I put a little bit of cornstarch and I mixed it with the cold water and I put it on my peaches so they're not very runny. And also to protect my galette from the soggy dough, I put a little bit of graham cookies right here, and I put my caramelized peaches right in the middle of my round. And I'm going to cover my fruit with the dough. In the middle I'm going to put just a few frozen berries, just for the color and flavor and fun. Okay, I got here an egg. I mixed it with a little bit of water, like tablespoon, and now I'm gonna glaze my galettes. That's done. And same thing I'm going to do with the second galette. Only for the second galette I have plums. Okay, my oven is preheated to 400 Fahrenheit. And it's in the recipe it says 40 minutes. I'm not sure about that, so I'm gonna watch how it's gonna bake, and then I'll let you know how long it took me to bake them. So I'll see you later. My beautiful rustic French galettes are ready and I love it. It's perfect for picnic. Ideal. So it took me 30 minutes. So depends again on your oven, how long it will take you to bake. Alright, they're still hot, so I'm going to try them tomorrow, but you know what? I have no doubt they taste great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the recipe. Subscribe if you didn't already. Press the bell down below and you will get notifications about all my videos. Leave a comment. I would love to see any feedback from you guys. And I'll see you in my next video.